Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's lift her up. Let's see what's hiding underneath the skirt. All right, we are finally back on Andy's 05 Dodge Ram, and the body's just about ready to come off. We got the box off at the last shop, transitioned into the new shop, and unfortunately Andy got caught in the middle of our move, but we are making some progress now, baby. We're ready to yank this cab off. Matthew's got everything, looks like, disconnected and ready to go. So if you recall, we got Andy's 05 Dodge Ram in here to take care a little bit of the rust situation he's got going on here. We got a bunch of rust-free sheet metal from Texas, and as you can see, we got a little bit of rust going on here. All right, Matthew, let's lift this baby up. Nicely done. And there she is. Look at how this thing rusted. It's absolutely crazy. You don't see a rust like this a lot. The entire inner structure is gone. But the outer rockers are still somewhat there. So, very weird rust. But it's rust just the same, and she's got to go. All right, Andy. Here's what it looks like underneath the skirt. She looks good. Looks good. All right, next steps, we're going to clean up the frame, get all the loose stuff off, give her a POR, and make her nice and black again. Come on, baby. We got her.
Transfer cases and fur bag.
Overall, the frame looks really good. The only bad spots are really towards the back, where the box was. All salvageable, of course, but yeah, the frame is in really good shape. Here's a piece of the box, by the way. Yeah, we had some rust. Oh boy. All right, so Matthew fabbed up some wheels for the cab. Now she is mobile. All right, now we're gonna set her down. Looks good. I have no clue what I'm gonna do with this thing. My first thought was to take a plasma cutter and cut up all the good stuff for any potential collision damage we might run into down the road on somebody. I don't know. I don't know what to do with a rusty old cab.
Still a lot of good parts in it though.
Yeah, that's true.
A
That's true.
Like a full cab off.
Just like that,
Pretty easy.
we took the cab off. Look at that sexy Cummins behind you. And there's a 12 valve in back. Woohoo! Another 12 valve for our collection. Whenever we see one online, we go grab it. That's a 94 P pump.
See if my wheels hold that.
Your wheels will be fine. You did a nice job. It looks good. All right, so Matthew's got a nice little cab dolly all fabbed up and ready to go. We got Andy's cab off. The frame looks pretty good. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this beast yet though, but nice to have her off the frame. Again, Matthew's got his little dolly all fabbed up. That came out nice. And Andy's frame overall looks really good. Matthew started doing some of the descaling already, and that's coming along good. This has been a noisy tool today. Got all the big stuff off, then we're gonna drop the gas tank out and we will blast the rest of the frame and POR it. All right, so keep following along. Andy's truck is taking shape finally. Got the big pieces off. Now it's time to do some de-rusting and get some new sheet metal on there.